Now page number 10, 11th grammar exercise. Répondez en utilisant ne aucun. Negative sentence. Your question is asked, you have to answer to the question in negative form. Ne aucun. We have already taken this in the grammar part. Ne aucun means no, none of them, any, negative form. Three things you have to remember while making this negative sentence. First, two forms are there for different nouns, masculine, feminine. Next, article should not be there in the negative form. Next, third, after the negative adverb okay, noun should be in singular form. If example, if the noun is like this, if the noun is like this in the plural form in the question, it should be changed to singular form in the answer. Negative, the question, this is the question, this is the answer using the negative form. Position of negative, as usually you have to place it before the auxiliary verb, negative adverb after the conjugated form. That means participe passive after the conjugate form. This should be in this is in masculine form. This is example, because the noun is masculine, this adverb is in masculine form. Here in the femina, in the question, the noun is in masculine plural form, but the answer it is changed into masculine singular. Meaning, I already told you, no, none, any, none of them, any. He bought some gifts. He didn't bought any gifts. Now we are going to the grammar exercise 11. Répondez en utilisant. Answer negative form using the negative form. Okay. First question. Vous avez un problème. Vous avez un problème. Question asked in vous form, so I have to answer in J form. No. J. Start with J. N apostrophe A-I. A-U-C-U-N. Problem. You have to use this noun as a masculine because un is there. So A-U-C-U-N. Okay. Problem. Right as it is. Subject, negative form, auxiliary verb, verb conjugation, any verb conjugation, negative adverb form, noun. I have no problem. Do you have any problem? I have no problem. A second question. Elle a des amis. Does she has friends? No. Elle n'a aucun ami. Two things you have to change. First, no, elle, negative, n apostrophe a, verb, then article will be article will go, so des will not come in the answer. Instead of that, negative form, A-U-C-U-N-E. Here feminine form, because ami is A-M-I-E-S. Feminine plural form, it is in feminine plural form. You have to put it in, you have to use the negative adverb feminine form. Two forms are there, masculine, feminine. If the noun is in masculine, you have to use A-U-C-U-N. If the noun is feminine, you have to use A-U-C-U-N-E, singular only. After following this, should the noun should be in also in singular form. A-M-I-E-S is there in the question. S is removed. You have to write it in singular form, feminine singular. Elle n'a aucun ami. She has no friend. Third question. Tu as vu quelques films? Have you seen some films? No. And question is asked to you, opposite person. So answer is should start with J. Je n'ai vu. Je n'ai vu. Subject, negative, verb conjugation. Here auxiliary verb. Here second person AS. Here first person AI. Then past participle VU. After the conjugated form, negative form AU. Film. Here films is there. Some films. Adverbs, quantity adverbs quelque will not come in the answer. So you have to remove it. You have to put the negative adverb form A-U-C-U-N. Films, masculine plural is in question. You have to write it in masculine singular form. A-U-C-U-N, film. I have not seen any film. I have not seen none of the films. Fourth question. Il connaît des acteurs français? Does he knows French actors? No. Third person, so write the subject as it is. No ill. Na kone. Negative form na kone. Des will go. So aucun actor masculine masculine plural form. Write it in masculine singular form. Aucun. Then au actor. Francais will be written as it is. Will be written as it is. Does he knows French actors? No, he knows none of the actors. No, he don't know any actor, French actors. Fifth question, do you read ou lisez de romans français? Do you read any French novels? Ou lisez des romans français? So the question is asked to you. So start with J. Je ne lis. Here present tense. Lisez for who conjugation is LISC is it. Here for first person conjugation lead verb conjugation LIS. No, I don't read any French novels. Okay. AUCUN Romo ROMANS masculine plural. So you have to use AUC in masculine form. Plural will for change into singular form. Romos. Here plural is singular. No, I don't read any French novels. Next, question is in plural form. Vous. Your answer you can write in singular as well as plural. Both are correct. Two forms. What you have to do? What are the changes? I have underlined negative adverb form. After the where you have to place it now. Negative n apostrophe before the auxiliary verb or first verb. Okay, negative adverb after the conjugated form. One verb na after the one verb. Two verbs na after the two verbs. It should agree with the noun masculine or feminine. Third, noun should be in singular form. If it is in plural in the question, example second one, it should be in singular form in the answer. That's all 11th grammar exercise. After the 11th grammar exercise, 12 and 13, that is a letter and essay part. We will see it later. Now 14th grammar exercise, dialogue. Dialogue writing between two persons. What is the topic given here? You have to write dialogue related to that topic given in the every lessons. Dialogue. Vous avez retrouvé un porte-monnaie au milieu de la rue ou le rendez au commissariat de police. Imaginez et rédigez les dialogues. This is the question. 14th grammar, 14th question in the first lesson. What is the translation? Dialogue writing. You found a wallet in the middle of the road. You return it to the police station. Imagine and write the dialogue. Conversation between. You have to imagine a conversation between you and the policeman. You have found a wallet. You have to imagine a conversation. You are returning it to the returning to the policeman in the police station. First, moi. MOI means me. You are starting the conversation. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. You are returning to the policeman. Genera means policeman, officer, constable, anything. All are correct. Genera is replying to you. Bonjour, madame. You can put madam or bonjour, madam or monsieur. Both are correct. Bonjour, madam or monsieur. Both are correct. Je vous aider. Good morning, madam. Good morning, sir. Anything? May I help you? Moi. You are replying. What you have found? Je retrouvé ce porte-monnaie près de l'arrêt de bus. I found this wallet. Past tense. I found this wallet. Porte-monnaie means wallet. Near the bus stop. Je pense qu'il a tombé de la poche de quelqu'un. I think it fell out of someone's pocket. Je pense qu'il a tombé. I think it fell out. Tombe means to fall. It fell out from someone's pocket. Quelqu'un means someone. Poche means pocket. Now the gendarme, he is replying. Bon, voyons. S'il y a une adresse ou un numéro de téléphone dans la porte-monnaie. Good. Let us see. Bon means good. Voyons means imperative form, let us see. Is C condition if there is an address. See in address. If there is an address or telephone number. U means OU means R or telephone number in the wallet. Now you are replying moi. D'accord. Okay. Yes. Chandram. Bien. Il y a un numéro de téléphone. Appelons-les. Well, there is a telephone mobile number. Appelons-les. Let us call it imperative form. Let us call it moi. Merci, monsieur. Thank you, sir. Chandram. Policeman. Bravo. Nous avons besoin de citoyens honnêtes comme vous. Great. We need honest citizens like you. Honest means honest citizens like you. Last. Merci, monsieur. Wow. Thank you, sir. Goodbye. This is the for dialogue conversation between you and the policeman. You have found a valet. You are conversing with the policeman in the police station. I given how to converse and the translation for the 14th question.